previous Minecraft video that I did a few videos ago, I brought a Ferrari, a Lamborghini, and many other cars. But I just moved into a new place, so can I find the right car for me to move around in this city? Hello guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. Today it is Tice Gaming back, and today, like I said in the intro, I am getting a new car for the city. I've just moved into a gigantic skyscraper city, and yeah, like I said in the last previous video, I got another few sets of cars, but I don't have a car in this area, so let's see if I can get a car. So just over here we have the car dealership as well, so that's really cool as well. So we come down here and we have a wonderful Ferrari LaFerrari, which was in my previous few videos for sale, so I could buy this Ferrari, but I've already got it, so I don't really want to get it once again. But anyway, let's make our way into the gigantic car dealership. And there is a car sticking out of the roof, which is a bit weird. But anyway, so we have this really cool flaming van first, which I could choose of, but I don't really need a van right now. So we've got a pickup truck. We've got another pickup truck here as well. I think this one's for like dumping and things. This one's more nicer, but I don't really need that. We've got quad bikes by the looks of it. I'm not going to get that, definitely. This is a nice small sedan by the looks of it. Ooh, what's this? We have a Jeep by the looks of it. This is pretty nice. I might get this. Might get that. Maybe. Now, this car's pretty nice, but yeah, I might get that one. Oh, let's see if I can get around here without hitting the car. This looks nice as well. This looks okay. Let's just get around. This looks pretty nice. Might choose that one as well. There is such a big range of cars here. We can choose the colors as well, guys. And this is like one of the other ones back there. This is pretty nice as well. This looks like a BMW. Oh no, how am I supposed to get back up? Yep. Oh no, I fell down again. This is a very nice city, by the way. You can see the tops of the gigantic buildings. But anyway, so yeah, we got that nice. And there's the Jeep back in there. I don't really think a Jeep's my kind. Oh, I didn't mean to push that car. Anyway, let's go up to the more... Oh, this is definitely a BMW. Yes, this might be for me, definitely. Just imagine the Tice Gaming driving the BMW. That would be wonderful, but I don't think I have enough money for it. Anyway, I mean, I could buy it, but it's too much money, definitely. What's this? This looks like a Ford Escape, actually. Looks like a Ford Escape, actually. That looks pretty nice, I guess. I mean, it's a bit too boxy, so no, not really that one. Oh, we've got another truck, pickup truck by the looks of it. That's okay. We've got another one of those nice small cars. Might choose that, very nice. Let's go upstairs to the last few set of cars. Oh, back in old school, we have a Volkswagen VW Beetle. And by the way, this looks like a convertible. Guys, comment down below which car is your favorite. This kind of looks pretty nice, I guess. Yeah. And another one of those small type cars. Let's just make our way back down so I can have my final decisions. because I think that's all the cars. Oh, don't hit the car, don't hit the car, good. So, is there any cars here? Oh, there's another Volkswagen. Oh, that is a nice car. Anyway, I think I really like these small ones, but they're a bit too small. But I really like the BMW. I really like that BMW. But anyway, let's go back. Oh, it's this one again. I really don't think the Jeep Wrangler would be for me. Not really. I mean, it's not the best cars. I probably shouldn't get in them because they're not mine yet. I mean, it's not. I'm not gonna get this one. I'm not gonna get this. It's too. I'm gonna say this. Sorry to Jeep people, but it's a bit too ugly for me. That is a bit disappointing, but I know. Yes, but anyway, let's go down to the final few set of cars. What's out here? Oh, I haven't been down here. There's nothing down here anyway. Whoa. This van would be nice, but it doesn't really... I mean, I like this pickup truck a lot, but just imagine the Tice Gaming driving a black quad bike. I mean, just look at that. But it's not really my type. So... But anyway, off we hop. But I really like this pickup truck, like so much. And this van, no, not the van, but this up here, this wonderful BMW, this is awesome. You know what? I'm gonna get this BMW. I'm gonna get this BMW. Alright. Let's just go down to the person that sells you all the cars. My decision is final. I am getting the BMW. So I figured that if we walk down here, the guy is actually down here, which is pretty cool. Here is your key. So apparently we have to click the sign. And thank you very much, key for BMW. Thank you. So now let's go. I'm not really sure how I'm supposed to get this out, but let's go up to my BMW. Let's unlock it. Alrighty. Wow, it's very nice. But whoa, oh, we can do that. But yes, oh my gosh, look at this thing. This is amazing. Literally. Well, thank you. Whoa, this is fast. Thank you, dude, but yeah, thanks. Oh, it's an ice cream shop. Oh, it's an ice cream shop. What's this called? Winnie's Grocery Store. Ooh, let's get some groceries. Now, car, you stay back there. Oh, just look at that thing. That is amazing. Now, let's go up and see if there's anything that I could buy. There's nothing here. Oh, yeah, it's a Monday and people are closed on Monday. How silly am I? People closed today. Yeah. Where? Oh, there's the ice cream truck. Let's go to the ice cream truck instead. I actually didn't lock my car. Did I? Yeah, I didn't. What's this? What's this car? It's an A12 Sport. That's cool. Not really. But, I mean, oh, there's another BMW. Hey, we've got the exact same cars. Woo, let's get some ice cream. Ice cream, can I get some ice cream, please? Oh, yeah, closed. Everybody's closed today. I don't think we're going to get anywhere. Except for the gas station. Now, all the traffic lights are red. Would you just maybe... Oh, it's a Nissan. Well, now I'm just going to have to wait until he drives, or he might be, he's broken down, I think. Oh, here's the map of the city. The downtown city. So where's the gas station? So, reverse out. So where are we now? Where are we now? Ah, I see. So now where do we go to get to the gas station? I think that it is... Alright, I got it now. I think it's over. Anyway, we'll find out when we drive over there. But look at this. I'm gonna have to take this to a race track. What's this? Huh. I'm gonna have to take this to a racetrack, because oh my gosh, this is real fast. Just look, when I go like this, I'm not even making the car go full. Like, this is just half the speed. Would you look at that? This is like one of the oh, hey, it's a bus. But the bus is also closed. The buses aren't working today either. Let's just go downtown. Oh, I think we just came to the waterfront. That's nice. Oh, we're back here again. And I'm pretty sure this is where we came from. Now, where should we go now? I mean, I really want to go down. So we go down. Okay, we go down here. Apparently, I think we go down here. Let's see. I'm sorry, I might get arrested by doing this, but anyway, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for the video. Hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and just look at that car. Amazing. Anyway, see you in the next video. Tice Gaming, over and out.